hayi mkhulu yabona uma uphuza utshwala kuleli viki neviki elizayo uyahamba manje uthoza njani
kulungile ngihambe ngeviki elizayo
kulungile uhambe
hayi mntanami angeke impela ngeke
beef means imizi hey imizi beef means imizi oh
I don't know what's going on here. It's lost the plot. Yes.
The picture.
Let me see. Don't.
Hi guys, Monty.
Hello.
Aniphuma ekudedeni kukompo.
Sizayimodole.
into enzekayo kabantu ba-TikTok uthi umnika ipresent umntu kanti uyakurobha ndide ndisamkela ipresent yami isuka kude kakhulu eKapa masibuya isilamba sami ndiqhathanisa neskipa sikaMaqanda mandijonga phaa kum kubhaliwe ke skipa sikaMandlwembe uba the North Face mandijonga ke sesilamba sam kubhaliwe do not fail into engixakisa kakhulu kuba esilamba senziwe ngabelungu abelungu nabo kanti baduma kanti baduma abalungu kanti mandijonga ndanoba kuba lo sisi undibone njengoba ndisisiteng uba kandithengele isilamba sika do not fail nandikhona kunzima noguquko bamevidiyo
Where's the ball?
Una wena kwekho kubaleka.
Hayi bo.
Uyathetha le.
Uthetha.
Your mic here?
Yeah, ayithanda.
Okay. That's your mic.
Ngichiwa kwethu. Us listening.
Black people who speak English with eloquence are not attempting to emulate Caucasian identity. Rather, they are merely exhibiting the pedagogical culmination of a 12-year scholastic odyssey through the labyrinth of linguistic instruction. To articulate with precision is not to impersonate but to illuminate the intellect refined through the years of grammatical gladiatorship. After all, one does not traverse over a decade of compulsory education only to emerge declaring, "My name is..." No, this is not whiteness. This is eloquent embodiment of erudition. Hence, it is of paramount significance to peruse your lexicon.
Thina mfana. Checking your bank balance in public.
That Randy.
Unotata randi.
Nekudini brightness yefoni.
Kaloku mna nawe selukutya apha ecaweni. No, suba nixelonga lento yavu. Mna nawe asicawe sizotya apha ecaweni asicawe thina.
Hayibo lukhanyo.
No, kanjani wena umama ke thangathi kanjani?
Njengoba ningafuni ukuyidla le Movite ngizoyiqeda mina. Movite ayikazi nje yabinda umuntu. Ayikazi nje yabinda umuntu Movite futhi imnandi kabi. Nane fiber lenidingayo. Ngoba niye toilet. Movite le angiyidli yazi. Ingakho nje nasekhaya bengayithengi iyangibinda yabo. Angiyidli Movite ngiyabonga angisho kabi yabo angisho kabi ngi-right.
You will know me kusebenza mina manje angithi uyangibona ngiphethe ikheke lase-Woolworths engizithengele lona lase-Woolworths angithi wena ulazi ngoba ulinde umntana kina birthday or umtshana wakho birthday ngoba vela usebenza ngeke uzithengele lona nje ulinde umuntu birthday mina ngiyolikhiya manje li-sealed ngiyolikhiya la akunamuntu oyongitshela kule fridge yami yalikhiya liyovulwa yimi akunamuntu olisika ngingekho mara manje ithi ngikuhlanganisele ngiphethe ijarajara i-tin roof angithi wena ujwayele lama ice cream wathenga elokishini nale moto yama ice cream du ujwayele wona la uyayibona namanje i-sealed ayikakavula ayikakayenzwa next nje ilinde mina nje and i-tin roof bantu abaselokishini asikhulumi nge-tin elise-roofini sikhuluma nge-tin roof ice cream izinto zethu vumelana abantwana basesantini baze bahlombe nathi hayi nina nithathe labo baselokishini ngawuzwa ngenhliziyo ujabulile kusebenza mina manje.
Antakulibali ke mntase is not a form of payment. Ndifuna imali yami and I want my money now.
Baby? Mongagesi ukuthi kunani la? I'm going to give you a prize.
Nukani go prize. Prize.
La.
Serious? Nuga familiar. Yes?
Familiar?
Yeah, I think I is before. I think it's before. Yeah. I've smelled this before. I think I is somewhere. He ain't got leather.
Jesus! Ithole emotweni.
Emotweni.
Phika nalo moto utawunamoto mntanami.
Elithi likhululeni. Izisa kum ngoba liyafuneka. Enkosini. Kananje akowethu. Sisi ngithapha. Ngalamazwi mama lapha ngathi wena. Ngithapha ngalamazwi. Ngithapha ngalamazwi obhalwa.
Manje
amehla lapho kwethu. Yathi likhululeni. Kunzisa
Mbele msengayelo bafethu.
Dongo kule khavela idizeli.
Usebenza la amakhulana.
Yo ku explain about the kasi ngaliya. Aibo.
Holding back the years.
Uyayibothi ayina network le phone?
Ubhala ukuthini phola big brother.
Big brother.
Oh, uzobuka big brother.
Yebo
next. Mina ngithi mina big brother, huh?
Big brother.
Uyani big brother?
Next day. The big brother.
Kunyisi ngisi nje lapha.
Oh mina ngikhuluma isingisi.
Manje uyenzelani ifoni ngena network?
Manje ngingakho ngithi mawuthenga ikheke today uthenge nefoni entsha
njalo. Ngizophathela i-network.
Hey, mafuza bona lokho kuthini?
Ifoni ayina network nje ngizothenga network.
Alright mafuza it's fine. Ngoba manje vele wenza lento yenzayo. Uthana manje lento yenzayo kuzokweyisa ngithi ongidayilele ngakwenzayo wena.
Wenzani?
Ongidayilela wena. Ngiyadinga ifoni nje phela serious mafuza.
Igwinya noPoloni has been together for many years. Wafika uCheese, but uPoloni akazange ethi kuyigwinya kuqhubeka nalesi sifebe sakho esiyelo. Ey, Nkosi yami.
Danko boy,
Hey, South Africa, enough.
South Africa last night around past 3. I'm still here. I'm still stuck. I'm now broke and frustrated. I don't know what I should do to get to Zimbabwe and see my family. It has been almost 1 year, 3 months without seeing my wife and my children. It's very painful.
I heard that. Okay, thanks. Well, the gentleman says he has not been home.
So she didn't come alone, eh? Probably rocking the Crocs.
Yes.
Cameraman, just the Crocs. It's a family reunion.
Ah, wabafana man. Ah, oh, wow.
Boss Bogang, bye. And seeing the moment, him na. And seeing the moment. And seeing the moment. And that's it.
Ramaphosa say I'm unemployment. How can no rogan naganel? Yo, kola manaka. Kola ya baby.
Kola ya baby.
Kola ya man.
People are recognizing me. So then I believe it. Siyabuza kambani. Kumziti yagowa udlukotini.
It just went on fire.
Andisavutha.
Android.
Android.
Well, Android. Temu. Cellphone ka Temu.
Yidoni.
Umbali bafethu bhekani yini le bafethu ngicela niyenzeleni umbali isikolo saku chef ayenze hospitality ahlinza abantu bafethu ngiyanicela Bali with chef Mbali.
Ah, chef, which one is this one? Water shedding.
Ngarini.
Ke tsana le sona so se.
Which one is this one?
Ngicela ubuza bakhona abantu besifazana abawenza ibena lamsebenzi. Andifuna uphosa zange nababona, that's why ndibuza. Bethuna la Alina mayenziwe ngamadoda not thina. Yo hayi basiyekile kuwo le. Never.
Baba wasisi banafika. Nasi.
Entimbe lebhobo ihlakiwe kwapha.
Ewe.
Una. Dan.
Ewe.
Lento. Agora já foi.
Já.
Yela serious look kata Bob. And lo Tapopa akazifile zase Eastern Cape. Akazifile nyalo zase Eastern Cape. Qala hayi ngutama baby, wayedisa utama baby. Ngoku ngunja. Ubhizi nonja go. Akazifile nyanza zase Eastern Cape uTapopa. I hope you enjoyed today's video bafethu. Until the next one. Sure.